are you holding in your hand right now?
What I have here is one of our right angle heads from Parlec. We have been selling quite a bit of these with the GNC series machines because we make these both in Cat 40 and Cat 50, and it's a very easy and cheap way to get you an extra axis. So this is going to be able to allow us to do side drilling, side milling, as well as tapping, just by simply putting this guy in here, locking it off, and it gives us a right angle option.
You know, I remember we had a customer in here not too long ago, and they were considering going for a 4th axis, but they decided to go with one of your right angle tooling instead, and it saved them so much production time. They were saving hours by switching to one of your guys' tools. The Techniks right angle tool is truly a beauty of a tool.
Yeah, it fits in well, especially we make these in a single and dual output, so you can run a drill and a tap. So you can simply go through, drill on one side, rotate, and then tap on the other side.
That's pretty amazing. I do think that they did get the dual-ended. The dual-ended is a really efficient way to be running one of these.
Oh, most definitely. Yep, and it definitely, again, we're back to that. Spindle needs to be spinning, so we're making money.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Brian. I appreciate your time.